Here is my 2005 Kohler Highline Pressure Lite versus my 2025 Highline Pressure Lite. They're both different generations, and I've been wanting to do this video for like quite a long time actually, because for the first generation Pressure Lite, it took me like forever to find one of these, but now I finally have one. Now I can do two different generations of Highline Pressure Lite to see which one does better. And we got two different flush mates. We got the 501B and the 503 flush mate, and they're both 1.6 gallons. And before we do the tests, we're gonna both give it a flush and see which one you like better. Which toilet do you guys like for the flush? For me, I like the brand new Pressure Lite because it has a slight swirl to it. But I also like the first generation Pressure Lite because I like the flush sound. Now to some tests. For the first test, let's see if it can take 8 paper towels. But please do not try this at home, which is inside toilets, because it can clog your pipes, sewer, and mess up the plumbing and cost a lot of money to repair it. But anyways, let's see if it takes it. And it got stuck in the opening. I'll give it a second flush after the tank is full, but first let's see how the brand new Pressure Lite does it. Well, the brand new Pressure Lite took it without a problem. Flush 2. It doesn't seem to be moving that much. Flush 3. Yeah, not happening. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, no matter how many times I flush it. So, the Pressure Lite took 3 flushes and it didn't take it. And the new Pressure Lite took 1 flush and without a struggle. So the brand new Pressure Lite wins that test. For the next test, how about if we do a grocery bag and a microfiber towel together? I did all the tests, the regular tests, without a struggle, except for the grocery bag and microfiber rag together that got stuck in the opening. But let's see how it does with a grocery bag and microfiber towel versus the brand new Pressure Lite. That does not look like a pass. I'm gonna give it a second flush after the tank is full, just to see if it can take it or if it still clogs. Flush 2. Yeah, it's not moving. Let's try the brand new Pressure Lite and see if it does any better. And of course it didn't siphon. So the first generation Pressure Lite is not very siphonic, so that's why it didn't siphon. Well, took it without any problems. So the first generation Pressure Lite has failed that test, and the brand new Pressure Lite took it without a problem. So brand new Pressure Lite wins that test. For the next test, let's see if it can take 8 balls of paper towels by the rim jets. I kind of want to do a ball rinse test on this versus the second generation Pressure Lite, but that would be for another video. But for now, we're going to do 8 balls of paper towels around the sides. Let's see how it does. Oh my word. This is not looking great. Now let's try the second generation pressure light to see if it does any better. Once again, 8 balls of paper towels around the rim. Here we go. Did great. Obviously, look at this. It left 5 paper towels balled up, and this means this does not have great ball rinse. I'm gonna give it a second flush after the tank is full, or maybe I can give it a second flush while it's filling. Here it goes. So, took 2 flushes. So, I'm gonna say for a ball rinse test, obviously I didn't do dirt, but for 8 balls of paper towels around the rim, the brand new pressure light wins that one. For the next test, let's see if it can take 30 bottle caps, which I called the floater test. Well, let's check the bin and see how many of them came out. Well, as I looked at the bin, all 30 bottle caps came out. Now let's try the second generation Kohler pressure light. I think it might do the same thing. Wow. So, it's a tie since both toilets took it. Well, I mean, some people still not a fan of the first generation pressure lights because of the shredding toilet paper. The only thing I would hate a toilet is if it fails 15 feet or less. But since I like Kohler, even though it fails 15 feet, I'm not gonna hate it. Now to the next test. Here's the last test for this video. Here it's 15 golf balls. I remember I did 30 golf balls to the Toto Drake in the Water Ridge, but let's do 15 golf balls on pressure assist toilets. Let's see how it does. Oh my word. I thought it's not gonna take it due to how it flushed, but let's see how many are in the bin. Surprisingly, all 15 golf balls came out. Now let's try the second generation pressure light. I think it took all of it as well. So, I might do more golf balls, but I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna say I come to the conclusion that the second generation Kohler pressure light is better in terms of performance and flush. The first generation has decent performance, but not as good as the second generation pressure light from 2025. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos of toilet battles and flush tests, will it flush? Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos coming out soon. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.